shoes.
This is how to do a Sphinx pose. So we're gonna lower down to our belly here. And our elbows come right underneath our shoulders. Palms are gonna be flat on the mat. So from here, we want to bring our big toes to touch. We are going to rotate the outsides of our thighs. You'll feel a nice engagement in your legs, but you're not gonna feel the pressure on your low back when you totally turn your legs like that. So that is a very important part. So you can watch my legs here. And then we're going to drop the tailbone down and almost bring the tailbone to the pelvis. So just tilting a little bit here. Now we are going to press through the elbows as we pull forward. So really you have like a full body engagement here, but you should feel no pressure in your lower back. There's no engagement in the glutes. Now, if you feel like this is, a little bit too easy, you can always press your hands up, moving them out to the corners of the mat. Doing the same thing here. And as you hold this stretch longer, you can start to move your hands closer to your body. So this is not something for beginners. So make sure if you're just starting out, you really want to stay here in this position. This is always a good one to just lengthen out your entire body, really feeling your whole spine just lengthening and releasing. So it is a great stretch to do if you sit a lot at work, if you have any low back pain. Just be very careful that you move very slowly through all of those exercises. Make sure that you're breathing through it and that everything is very slow and intentional. Give yourself time, give your body time to lengthen back out before you move into the next stretch.